Hello, welcome to Sunny Views, where I give my reviews, how-tos, and point of views. And today, I came in the mail is my new box. It's a new box. The whole box came in the mail. Let's see what's inside. Hey Danny, Husky box cutter. Get you one. Ooh, bunch of boxes. Alright, that covers it. High quality camera battery. It's F550 and FM50. If you have those batteries, it's a charger it comes with. Two chargers. And this is our LED video lighting. Julius Studios. I'll leave a link down in the description below. I got this for 65 bucks. It's two lights, comes with two chargers, which is awesome. Right, so this is the LED panel. It's got 160 LED lights and it's dimmable. So let's count them. Looks like 160 lights and accessories. All right, it's got a hot shoe mount here, which is nice, with looks like a 1/4 inch female thread along with a 1/4 inch male thread. So you can attach this to a tripod stand, which should be in here. This is a fun setup kit. This should be stand number 1. Just plastic. Alright. It's kind of stiff. Let's loosen this up. Alright, tripod stand. How high do you go? What's that, about 2 feet? Got a 2-foot stand that comes with it. This was one of the selling points for me because I wanted one with a stand because I don't want to have to get another tripod. We have here diffusers. Oh, this is nice. Blue, purple, magenta, got your goldish, and your clear diffusers. Instructions. Keep those, store them somewhere, save them. Battery instructions. Oh, I wonder if they come charged. It looks like it takes a bunch of AA batteries. Get one of these chargers open. Very light. Oh, they hook up to the wall and they're compact. That's nice. Too bad my camera doesn't take these batteries. You get 2 for 1. Alright, so I'll probably have one of them charge overnight. And this is a battery. It even has a camera on the cover. It fits MP550A, MP570A. Just use specified charger. That'd be this guy. Looks like it just slides into here. And you plug it up to the wall and let it do its thing. I don't know if it has juice, so let's find out if it has juice. Bubble wrap. Kids might like these. We're gonna slide this in here. Where's the instructions? Slide it in there. Oh. It's got juice. Oh, that's pretty bright. Don't look into it. Bad idea. Right, it's got a knob in the back with the on and off. Now I can feel the ridges of each light bulb, but it's not like it's there. Like I can touch the actual bulb. It's a hard protective case on there. What's this bracket here for? Oh. I guess it's oh, in case you have to use actual battery. It looks like it looks like it has springs for actual AA batteries. What's that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it would take 6 AA batteries in case you didn't have any batteries. Let's put this on. Oh yeah. Oh, that's it. That's all the battery gave me. That's all the battery gave me. Let's try the other battery. That's the charger. Battery. You would think they'd give you at least half a charge, right? Alright, battery number 2. And let's see. I got no power on these, so they came pretty much dead. Let's try the light number 2. Bubble wrap. And we're gonna try this battery. Slide it on. Why is it loose? And put it on right. And put it on right. Get out of there! Did I break it? No, I didn't break it. I didn't put it in smoothly enough. It's got two little pin terminals. They kind of slide into a notch inside the battery. So let's try this again. No, they came completely dead. Battery's dead, so we gotta let this thing charge. I do like the setup. The picture online looks great. We're able to see just a brief section of it being on. It is a bright light. And set these bad boys up, one on each side, or one here and one as an accent light with the diffusers. And we're gonna test out our future videos and see how they work and all that fun stuff. But I guess I gotta charge these guys, and we'll get back when they're charged. So about after 20 minutes of charging, got the batteries back in there. It shows 3 out of the 4 batteries. Before, it didn't show any battery or any lights, so therefore it was a battery indicator, which is nice, so you can see how much juice you have. Let go, hold the button, show you the lights that are on, and you can go about your business. This is with the blue tint on there. Oh, that's pretty bright. That's very bright. That's nice. Take the blue off. You got your white. Slide the yellow in there. Soften it up. So we're gonna let these guys talk to each other. Purple meet yellow. Yellow meet purple. Looks like the Lakers. Let's see how it looks on the backdrop. Yellow and oh, it brightens up. Big difference. I'm gonna set this up, see how it looks with my face, and which colors look nice, and we'll go from there. So. Now that we have 2, we're gonna go ahead and shine one on my face. Now, if I originally did the video like this, so my face look better with just the, is there any tinting on there? It's the yellow tint on there. I'm gonna go ahead and swap this out, straight white. And take this out of the screen, out of shot, and then I'm gonna take this purple, just because it's already on there, and I'm gonna bring it down here. Side of me now as my accent. Now, is the lighting better? I think it is. I like that you can see my face here. Are there better other lighting options? I'm sure there is, but for $65 for 2 lights with the filters, I think it's a pretty good bang for your buck. Because again, there's 2. Usually they will cost anywhere from $65 for 1 and up, depending what you're getting, of course, depending what you're using it for. These are pretty small. This is probably a little bit bigger than an index card. Don't look into it because it's very bright. I do like the sturdiness of it though. It's a pretty solid metal as far as the housing and such. This part, as far as being held, could probably be a little sturdier. But I'm sure if I just tighten it up, you know what? No, it's pretty good. The housing does feel like a cheaper plastic housing. So that's probably where they cut back on. The battery idea is great because if you have a camera that uses this battery, well, then it's a 2-for-1. You get 2 chargers, 2 batteries. I mean, sometimes that alone can run you about $50. So that's without the light. All right, that's no light. All right, turn this on. That's with a light, face brightened up. Let's go ahead and add a blue tint. And with these different sheets, they just slide in from the top. Soften it up. Oh, that makes a big difference. But can you tell the tint? Because I still have ceiling lights, hi-hat lights right above me. But as far as the eyeshadow that goes on, which because the light comes down here, gives me this eyeshadow here. The idea with this was to kind of give me that fill-in. Now the blue might be too much because of this background. So we're gonna go ahead and switch this out. The white is too bright. Let's soften this up a little bit. Now, oh jeez, it's so bright. There you go. Now we're in action. So, fix my shirt, act like I'm getting ready for whatever, to shoot a video. My face good. Can you see all the details in my face? Is it there? Now, is this bottom one making a difference? Let me go ahead and turn this off. Okay, it's off, and now it's on. Alright, so okay, it gives a background light. Now if I bring it here, it adds that extra light, and it does have that purple tint. If I pull it up, purple tint, let me slide the yellow in. I think the yellow probably softens it up considering the background that's on there. Now I'm shining in the background, and now I'm going to bring it to my face. So this is going to be the setup that I'm going to use. This is shot on my Sony Alpha 5000. This is my first mirrorless camera that I'm shooting on. I'm very happy to have one. Now as far as the audio, I'll work on that, but you guys are going to go with me through the process of building the channel up, getting the pieces together so you can see the growth in the video and the content that I'm bringing you, as well as the different products that I'm showing you to be going over, and to see if you might like it. If I like it, I'm going to keep it. If I don't like it, I'll return it or sell it to someone else and just keep moving like we all do, right? So the idea of getting the best bang for your buck, I did my research. You know, you read your reviews, you go on different websites, you see what are the certain specs you're looking for when it comes to certain products. For this, I was looking for LED, obviously, because I didn't want those, because you can get those umbrella bulbs, the ones that come with the umbrella and the big CFL light bulb. The CFLs are the curly ones. I don't want CFL, that's old. I want LED, longer lifespan. They don't get hot. That's the idea, because you don't want it to get hot, especially if it's beaming on your face, kind of like this is doing now. But again, this is kind of a smaller one, so it's not so big, so it's not like hot in your face, right? So that was the idea behind it, the specs, right? What you need for what you're going to be doing, right? So if I was doing a big photo shoot and I was a photographer of that sort, these are kind of small, so I would definitely invest in a bigger one. Obviously do your research, get the best bang for your buck for what you're doing and how often you're going to be doing it, if it'll pay for itself in the long run. Now these for me, something small, portable, because I tend to shoot these type of videos in either one, my home, or two, my office, which is the one with the white background and backdrop. That this is going to come in handy for that type setup, to add a little color to the white backdrop that you've seen in some of the previous videos. So that would help for that. These lights are the Julius Studio brand. I've never heard of the brand before, but I stumbled across it on Amazon like we do a bunch of other brands, and so far so good. If these things fail or give me any problems later on in the future, I'll definitely add the description below. Maybe add a 6-month update to see how these things go, see the bang for your buck really lasts. But sometimes bang for your buck isn't always gonna last you a long time, right? So you invest in the idea that it's gonna last you a long time. So reviews definitely help. Read a ton of those and different websites that sell the product. But this has been my point of view, my perspective on these two studio lights that I just recently purchased, and I'm letting you guys see what the difference is. Again, it's a fun $65 purchase. If you don't need it, by all means, don't get it. If you like watching the video just to watch and hear me, I appreciate it. Do me a favor, as always, like every YouTube channel, hit that like button down below, drop a comment, subscribe, hit the little bell thingy on the left or right hand side. My face should pop up in one of these angles to subscribe. Again, this has been my point of view. Thank you for watching Sunny Views. See you next time. I think the lighting helps a lot. Yeah. Oh, battery doesn't last very long.